Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is just an update for my subbies, old and new, that I'm just going to start uploading more videos. I've chosen Mondays and Fridays as my upload date. So you can start expecting first videos on Fridays, which today is Friday. So I am going to do another video today. I did upload a video yesterday, so go check that one out if you haven't already. And then I'm going to upload one today, and then I'll do, another one following Monday, and so on and so on and so on. Just want to say thank you guys for subscribing, and if you have any ideas on any types of videos that you would like me to do, then please leave it down in the comments section. I would like to do a Q&A. Just send me some questions. Go check me out on my Instagram at Ebony Curls, EBONI _ curls, KURLS 2. And leave me some questions. DM me, send me some questions that I can do a Q&A with, and we can get that thing popping. But yeah, I want to start doing a lot more on this channel. I might go live. It's a lot to come. I'm gonna do more product reviews, gonna do more hauls. May start doing a little story time. But that's all to come. And for right now, my upload days, I should say, are gonna be Fridays starting off, and then I'm going to extend it until Mondays. So expect roughly 2 videos a week. I hope you like the content so far. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you would like to see, any opinion, any thought that you may have on my video. Thanks guys, bye.